Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Every Tuesday and Friday, I upload new videos on unboxing, reviews, wear and tear, comparison, what fits, how to style, and I also include mod shots of designer handbags, shoes, and accessories to help you decide whether or not you want that item to be part of your collection. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. So let's go ahead and get to the video. So today, come and join me as I unbox this lovely. I have been watching reviews about this bag for a long time now, and finally I have come to realize that I love it and the size is perfect for my essentials. The style and the quality are just great. Okay, so Nordstrom doesn't have a box for this. It just came in a dust bag, a receipt, and it's so beautiful. It's the Saint Laurent LOULOU small in metallic, I don't know how to pronounce it, leather. The straps are still in their packaging. It is a structured bag and is also flexible with a front flap. And the YSL logo is in black hardware. It is made in calfskin leather. And the size is 9.8 by 6.6 by 3.5 inches. This is the back side and the other side of the bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So as you can see, it is very well packaged and the tag is still there. And there's also cover on the strap. Let's go ahead and take out the stuffings inside. And let's do this strap this time. Okay, so the straps are kind of tight because of the packaging. I think I'm going to be needing scissors to help me undo these. Okay, I'm struggling a little bit, so I'll be back shortly. I'll just remove the cover and because I don't want to scratch the bag. Okay, finally. The strap is made with black metal chain and leather for the shoulder that says Saint Laurent Paris, and the leather is for added comfort when you're carrying the bag. It can be worn crossbody or on the shoulder. It can also be doubled, and the drop is about 11 inches. Okay, so let's try it on. Moving on, the bag has a magnetic snap closure. Inside says Saint Laurent Paris. It is made in Italy. It also comes with care cards. It has a gross grain lining and there's one big pocket in the back. There are two compartments. And in the middle is a zippered compartment. Now let's see what fits inside the bag. So I always carry with me this Louis Vuitton clay where I put my cards in. And I like to put my car key inside the pocket so it's easy to find it. I am using my phone to film, so I have an old phone here, but an iPhone XR will definitely fit inside this bag. I am also going to put in my Ray-Ban sunglasses. And I also want to try putting this Tory Burch wallet. It's kind of bulky, so let's see if it's gonna fit. Yeah, it did. So we still have enough space for little things like lipstick or whatever you have there. I can still close the bag, but I may have filled it up too full with the bulky wallet, but at least we know that it can fit in the bag. I don't really like packing a lot of stuff in my bag. I like that it holds its shape and it's not heavy, but I would use a compact or a card holder in this bag, so I still have more room for other stuff like a catch-all or maybe a scarf can come in handy because in California it gets chilly at night. I'm definitely happy with the Saint Laurent LOULOU bag. It is a great addition in my collection. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!